right, Sundstrand, Rockford Tool Company. This one looks to be, if there is such a thing, a 15-inch swing. Otherwise, we'll go with 14. It's about 7.5 inches from center to the bed. It is about 5 foot from the end of the bed to where the chuck is. The overall length is pushing 8 feet. It's got a complete 2 chucks, 4-jaw, 3-jaw, steady rest, another steady rest. Looks like it's got a factory taper attachment on it. Looks to be complete. Really solid machine. A geared head. Set for running on 208. Again, no rust. Maybe a little bit of flash rust on some of the ways where they've been wiped down. There's a view of the motor. Kind of tucks down in the back out of the way. The view from the back side. Looks like there's some pretty fresh chips in there, so this one has been used recently. And let's see, this one I think still under power, should work. Nope, I lied. He must have killed the breaker on it. But obviously, if anyone's gonna make a trip, we'll get some videos of these running. But only if you're serious, please. There's gonna be a lot of work to find buyers for this stuff.